Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Basic. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 3, questions 17 and 18. Dear students, in our today's class we will solve question 17 and 18. These are two word problems. Let us see the question at first. Question 17. A reservoir contains 19,200 liters of water. Its depth is 2.56 meters and its breadth is 2.5 meters. What is its length? Dear students, here reservoir contains 19,200 liters of water. It means the volume of the water contained in the reservoir is given here, and the depth of the reservoir is given, and here breadth is also given. We need to determine the length. Okay, dear students, so if we consider the length, we can determine the volume of the reservoir. If we can determine the volume of the reservoir, and then we can determine the water contained in the reservoir. Okay, so let us see the solution of question 17. Given the depth of the reservoir. Depth of the reservoir is 2.56 meter, and the breadth of the reservoir is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. And if we consider the length, we need to determine the length. So we can consider the length. Let the length of the reservoir is x meter. So the area of the reservoir that will be equal to product of length, breadth and depth. So we can write here product of length, breadth and depth. Here length is x, multiply breadth is 2.5 and depth is 2.56. This will be cubic meter. So we can determine now what will be the product of 2.5 and 2.56. So determine this product at first, 2.5 and 2.56. What will be the product? If we multiply 2.5 and 2.56, the product will be 6.4. 6.4 into x cubic meter. This is the volume of the reservoir. Now, dear students, we have determined the volume in cubic meter, but this we can convert as the volume of water. Dear students, you know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 cubic meter equal to 1000 liter. So we can write here, we know 1 cubic meter, it means m cube, is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 6.4 into x cubic meter, that will be equal to, we have to multiply 6.4 x into 1000. This will be liters. So this will be, if we multiply now, 6400 into x liters. So this is the converted volume of water of the reservoir. It means that if we want to keep water in the reservoir, we can keep 6400 into x liters of water. It means that here the reservoir contain 19,200 liters, so we can say this will be equal to 19,200. So we can write as per question. Here the water contained in the reservoir is 6,400 x, that is equal to 19200. Now if we divide both sides by 6400, we will get 19200 divided by 6400. Now we will get, therefore, x equal to, now divide 19200 by 6400. 19200 divided by 6400. You will get 3 here. It means that the value of x is 3. What is the x here? We have taken, let the length of the reservoir is x meter. So we can say, therefore the length of the reservoir is 3 meter. Therefore the length of the reservoir is 3 meters. So answer of this question is 3 meters. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of question 17. Now I will solve question 18. Dear students, what is question 18? Let us see the question at first. Question 18. Gold is 19.3 times heavier than water. The length of a rectangular gold bar is 7.8 centimeter, breadth is 6.4 centimeter, and the height is 2.5 centimeter. What is the weight of the gold bar? We need to determine the weight of the gold bar. So at first we have to determine the volume of the gold bar, and then we have to convert that volume into similar volume of water, and then we have to convert that into weight of the gold bar. Okay, dear students, so we can write the solution here. Question 18, solution. At first I have to write the given informations. What are the given informations here? The length of the gold bar, the breadth of the gold bar, and the height of the gold bar is also given. So we can determine the volume of the gold bar easily. So we can write here 18, solution. Given the length of the gold bar is 7.8 centimeter. The breadth of the gold bar is 6.4 centimeter, and the height of the gold bar is, that is, height is, here length is 7.8, breadth is 6.4, and height is 2.5 centimeter. So easily we can determine the volume of the gold bar. So we can write, therefore the volume of the gold bar That will be equal to product of length, breadth and height. So we have to multiply 7.8 by 6.4 and by 2.5. This will be cubic centimeter. It means cm cube, cubic centimeter. So we can write here, if we multiply these three, what will we get? Multiply these three, what will be the product? We have to multiply 7.8 multiply by 6.4 and then multiply by 2.5. We'll get here 124.8 cubic centimeter. 124.8 cubic centimeter is the volume of the gold bar. Now we have to determine the weight of the gold bar. To determine the weight of the gold bar, here the condition is given. The condition is the gold bar is 19.3 times heavier than water. It means that at first we have to compare this gold bar, volume of gold bar to the volume of water. So we can write we know if we consider this is the volume of water, then what will be the weight of that water? We know the weight of 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter water is 1 gram. 1 gram. Therefore, the weight of 124.8 cubic centimeter water is, we have to multiply by 124.8 gram. That will be 124.8 gram. It means that we have determined the similar weight of the water of similar volume. Weight of the water of similar volume we have determined now. So now if we multiply this by 19.3, we will get the weight of the gold bar. Dear students, as here the condition is given, the gold bar is 19.3 times heavier than water. So we can write as gold bar is 19.3 times heavier than water. So the weight of gold bar, that will be equal to, weight of gold bar will be equal to 124.8 into 19.3. This is gram. So if we multiply this by 19.3, 124.8 multiply by 19.3. Now we will get 2408.64. 2408.64 gram. If you want this weight, you can convert into kilogram also, but I will not convert. I will complete here. This is the weight of the gold bar. Therefore, the weight of the gold bar is 2408.64 gram. So answer of this question 18 is 2408.64 gram. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 18 also. It means that I have solved question 17 and 18. Now question 22 of exercise 3 is given for your homework. This is your homework 12. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.